Children, today we are going to study the chapter 3, data handling. Data. Here are some data given. First one is the Football World Cup 2006. Second data is on temperature of cities as on 26 2006. From this we can understand what is the maximum temperature, what is the minimum temperature. Such informations you will get from this data. Next data is on weekly absentees in a class. How many absentees are there on Monday? You can say 3 absentees are there. Tuesday 1 absentee is there. Such informations we will get from data. So from data we will get some information. Now coming to the next one, that is representative value of a data. First one is arithmetic mean. How to find arithmetic mean? Formula is easy. Sum of values by number of value. Sum of values means you have to add all the values and then you have to divide by number of values. We will do one problem, then you will understand. Marks in maths of 5 students is given below. Find the average. What you have to do is you have to write the formula first. Average is equal to sum of values by number of values. What is sum of values? Sum of values means what all values are given here. You have to add all those values, that is sum. 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 10 plus 4. You have to add, that is sum. Divided by number of values. How many values are there? How many values are there? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values are there. So you have to divide by 5. So the answer will be 30 divided by 5. Answer is 6. Easy, right? Just add all the values and then divide by the number of values. That is mean. Now comes the next one, range. Range formula is maximum value minus minimum value or highest observation minus lowest observation. Here also we will do one problem, you will understand it. Marks in maths of 5 students are given below. Find the range. So some marks are given here. You can see 25, 12, 43, 49, 16. You are going to find the range. Formula is range is equal to maximum value minus minimum value. What is the maximum value here? You can see maximum means the highest value. Highest value is 49, which is the minimum smallest value. Here it is 12. So we are going to subtract it. So maximum value 49 minus 12. What is 49 minus 12? 37. So that is range. So arithmetic mean at range. Okay. Now comes the next one. You will do one exercise. First exercise from our reader. Exercise 3.1. First question is on range of heights of any 10 students of your class. Okay, that you can do from your class. Second one is organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. So some marks are given here and some questions are given here. You can see what's the first question, which number is the highest. So first question is which number is the highest. So which number is the highest here? Highest number is 9. Just go through all the numbers. You will understand which number is the highest here. Number is 9. Which number is the lowest? Which number is the lowest here? 1. So lowest number is 1. What is the range of the data? Is the third question. What is the range of data? Range of data is highest number minus lowest number. Highest number 9 minus 1. What is 9 minus 1? 8. So that is the range of data. Understood? So what is it? That's it. Now next fourth question is find the arithmetic mean. You have to find the mean. You know the formula, right? Sum of values by number of values. We will see arithmetic mean is equal to sum of values by number of values. You have to add all the numbers. 4 plus 6. What all numbers are given? All those numbers. If it is repeating also, you have to add. Add all the numbers divided by 20 numbers are there. You just count and see how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Count and see how many numbers. 20 numbers are here. So divide by 20 is equal to 100 divided by 20. The answer is 5. That's it. So this is arithmetic mean. Okay. Now next one. They asked to write it in the tabular form. That is tally marks. You studied in your lower classes, right? 1. How many times 1 is occurring here? 1 occurs 1 time. So you have to write 1 mark. 2 times. So 2 tallies you have to put. 3, 1, like this. This you studied in your lower class. This is tabular form. Okay, now comes the next one. Third question. Find the mean of first 5 whole numbers. Which are the whole numbers? Do you remember? What are the whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. First 5 only we want. Okay. Mean of first 5 whole numbers. So what is the formula? Mean and average both are same. Mean is equal to sum of values by number of values. Sum of values. Sum means what? You have to add 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. What's the answer? Divided by 5. That is 10 divided by 5. What is 10 divided by 5? The answer is 2. So that is the mean of first 5 whole numbers. Okay, coming to the next one. A cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. So you can see cricketer runs these runs he scored in 8 innings. They are asking you to find the mean scores. 8 innings. So how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 innings. So 8 numbers you can see. Mean score you have to find. How will you find the mean score? Again, mean is equal to sum of values by number of values. Sum of values. I told you before, what is sum? Sum means you have to add all the values. So it is, see, 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus all the numbers you have to add. Then you have to divide by number of values. How many values are there? I told you 8 values are there. So you have to divide by 8. So it is 400 divided by 8. What is 400 divided by 8? The answer is 50. Okay. Now comes the next one. Following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. So you can see 3 players are here. A, B and C. Names are not there, just letters are given. Player A, player B, player C, like that. Okay. A. Player A score is given here. You can see in the game 1 he scored 14, game 2 16, game 3 10, game 4 10. Same way B score is given here. In game 1 0 he got, game 2 8, game 3 6, game 4 10. Same way C score is also given here. So these are the scores obtained by 3 players in 4 games. Okay. Now find the mean to determine A's average. So what you have to do is you have to find the average. Whose average you have to find? A's average you have to find. Again you have to write the formula. Average and mean both are same. What is the formula? Sum of values by number of values. What is sum of values? Sum of values means you have to add A's scores, A's values. That means 14, 16, 10, 10. These values you have to add. Divided by how many are there? You just check 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Divide by 4. That is, add all the numbers. What will you get? 14 plus 16, 30, 30 plus 20, 50. 50 divided by 4. What is 50 divided by 4? 12.5. So the answer is 12.5. Understood? Just add all the numbers and divide by number of values. To find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total points by 3 or by 4? Since C played only 3 games, you can see 3 games only C played, because this third play did not play. You can see in the table, right? Game 3 did not play. So he didn't play that game. So divide by 3 because C played only 3 games. That is the second question. Okay. Now B played in all the 4 games. How would you find the mean? Again, mean. Mean formula, you know what is the mean formula? Mean formula is sum of values by number of values. In game 1, what is the score of B? 0. Game 2, he scored 8. Then 6 and 4. So 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4. You have to add all the numbers. Then you have to divide by 4. So that's the answer. Okay. Now next, who is the best performer? Best performer means who is getting highest mean. He will be the best performer. C's average point is 8 plus 7 plus 13. Answer is 32 by 3. That's the answer is 10.6. A's average is 12.5. This we found before. B's average also we found before, 4.5. See, in this 10.6, 12.5 and 4.5. Who has the highest here? You can see A has the highest. So who is the best performer? Best performer is A. Okay. Now next, sixth question. Marks out of 100 obtained by group of students in a science test are 85, 76, 90, 85. So how many marks are here? You have to count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 marks are here. First question is highest and lowest marks obtained by the students. It's clear, right? Highest mark is 95. Just check the marks, you will understand it is 95. Lowest mark, which is the lowest mark here? 39. So that's the first question. Okay. Now comes the next. Range of marks obtained. What is the range? Formula is highest observation minus lowest observation. So highest mark minus lowest mark. 95 minus 39. The answer is 56. Okay. So now third question is mean marks obtained by the group. Again, mean. What is the formula? Sum of the values by number of values. So you have to add all the values, then you have to divide by 10. How many values are there? 10 values. So you have to divide. So 730 divided by 10. The answer is 73. So that's for today. Thank you.